All right, class of 2022, let's go ahead and do some math notes. Today is March 4th, 2014, and this is going to be page 40 of your notes. The title, you can put slope part 3 at the top. Go ahead and copy down the objective, which is to graph a line where you use the slope in a given point on the line. The example that we'll do is where you have to graph the line passing through the point of 1, comma 1 with a slope of negative 1 over 3, and 3 easy steps to do this. The first one is to graph the point that you're given. So in the example, you would graph 1, comma 1, since that's the point that they gave you. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and let's go ahead and make our coordinate plane for this. That's our y. There's our x. And we need to find 1, comma 1, which is going to be right there. All right, now we need to use the slope to graph another point. All right, so the slope that we were given is negative 1 over 3, which is saying that x is going forward 3. So this would be 1, that would be 2, and that would be 3. So it's going forward 3, and it's going up 1, the y, which means the second point is going to go there. And then we're going to make the line. And that's it. There's another way that we could have done this. So if you look at our slope, we used y going down 1, and we used x going forward 3. We could also put a point if we had done y going up 1 and x going left 3, the inverse. So if we had gone down 1 on the y, that would bring us there, and then left 3 on the x, and we would actually get a point there. I did not draw that line well enough to go through that point. So that would be the line. So you're given a point, put the point on the graph, and then use slope to find another point, connect the dots, and you have your line. All right, let's go ahead and practice some more here. All right, so example A, graph the line passing through the point of 3, comma 1 with a slope of 2. So our first step is to plot the point that we're given, which is 3, comma 1. So I'd find 1, 2, 3, go up 1, and there is our point. All right, step 1 is done. Now we have to use slope in order to find the next point. Slope is 2, which is 2 over 1, which means y is going up 2, and x is going to the right 1. So x 1 to the right, y up 2. There you go. And we are all set. The other way that we could have gone to point, yeah, ignore that. We're not even going to go over that yet. All right, let's do example B here. So we have to graph the line passing through the point 1, comma, negative 2 with a slope of 1 over 2. All right, so let's draw our coordinate plane. That's our y. That's our x. The point that we're given is 1, comma, negative 2, which is going to be right there. And then we have to use our slope of 1 over 2 in order to graph the next point. So that means y is going up 1, x is going forward 2. So I would go 2 to the right on the x and go up 1 on the y, and that would make my next point there. Connect the dots, and there's your line. All right, so that's it for notes today. Just remember the steps. You're given a point, put the point on the line, and then we'll continue working with slope to plot the next point, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.